In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkbox in Confluence page. If you've ever wanted a quick way to track tasks directly inside your documentation, adding checkboxes, also called action items, is a simple and effective approach. I'll walk you through 2 easy methods so you can use whichever feels most comfortable. Start from your Confluence dashboard and open the page where you want to place the checkbox. This can be any existing page you are working on. If you don't see it right away, you can navigate through your space sidebar or use the search bar to find the exact page. Once the page is open, switch into editing mode by clicking the edit button at the top. Depending on your theme, it may look like a pencil icon. You need to be in edit mode to insert elements into the page. With the page open in the editor, the quickest way to add a checkbox is with the / command. Place your cursor exactly where you want the checkbox to appear. Then type a / followed by the word action. A small menu will pop up with matching options. Choose action item. As soon as you select it, a checkbox appears at your cursor location. You can immediately start typing the task text right next to it, and you'll have a clean, clickable box ready for tracking. If you prefer using the toolbar, here is another easy option. Look for the Insert Elements menu, the plus sign in the editor toolbar. Click it to open the Insert panel in the search field that appears. Type action, then select action item from the results. Just like before, a checkbox will be inserted at the position of your cursor, and you can type the task description right after it. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth: make sure your cursor is exactly where you want the checkbox before you insert it, since it will drop in place automatically. If you don't see the action item option, double-check that you are in edit mode and try typing the / command again to filter the menu. After inserting, you can click the box to toggle it on or off while viewing the page later, making it perfect for simple to-do tracking inside your content. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.